Let's walk through the typical steps involved in an RPA workflow. First, we start with understanding the process. This involves mapping out the current manual steps and identifying which parts of the process can be automated. It is crucial to have a clear and detailed understanding of the process before moving forward. Next, we move to defining workflow automation. This step is about designing how the automated process will function, including the specific tasks the RPA bot will perform and the sequence in which these tasks will be executed. Once the workflow is defined, the next step is integrating with existing systems or processes. RPA tools must seamlessly connect with your current IT systems, whether it is your CRM tool, ERP, or any other software or business relies on. Basically, you're trying to automate your repetitive task. You have identified which task you are trying to automate now. You have created a workflow that in this workflow, this is how the flow happens. This is how the sequence of the steps happens, and probably the sequence number one or step number one, step number two will still be manual. The step number three, I'm going to automate using RPA. So that we will have a clear understanding once this workflow automation is created. Now, for step number three, if it is creating some information or entries into the system, then it requires an integration. So whatever system where you are trying to provide an input or trying to get the output, so how our RPA tool is going to connect with that system is through the integration which we are talking over here. So that there will be an integration of your RPA automation tool with the enterprise CRM or different tools using REST APIs or different APIs which are available. Now, after ensuring the integration is done, the automated process will work smoothly. Finally, we have workflow monitoring and optimization. So after the RPA tool is deployed, continuous monitoring is essential to ensure it operates as intended. This step involves analyzing the performance of the RPA bot and making necessary adjustments to optimize its efficiency and effectiveness over time. These steps together form the backbone of a successful RPA implementation, ensuring that the automation not only works but adds real value to your operations. So far, we have discussed about RPA. We have the understanding of what RPA is, how it is created. We have discussed the basic workflow of it, the basic steps involved. Now we will focus on the importance and benefits of RPA. The benefits or importance is in terms of the efficiency. Whatever we were doing manually is now getting automated. So there is manual intervention reduction. So whatever being done manually is going to be reduced. Efficiency, if I talk about, RPA bots can work 24/7 without breaks, leading to significant efficiency gains. So you can understand to perform one task, if you require one person, that one person can perform one task and probably taking 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or an hour or 2 hours, whatever it is. Now you have 100 such tasks. So probably you would require 50 people, 20 people at least. But with one RPA solution, you can automate the process and it will work 24/7. Now, if I talk about the accuracy, bot follows the same predefined rules without deviation. That means it reduces the risk of human errors. So it is going to perform the same thing again and again without any deviation until we change the workflow. So that repetitive task automation is going to perform at a similar level. Now, if I talk about cost saving, by automatic tasks, companies can reduce labor costs, their manual intervention costs, and operation expenses. So that way they can free up human workers to focus on higher value activities. Strategic focus. So over here, strategic focus means the routine task, the repetitive task, which humans were doing. Now RPA can work on those repetitive tasks, and the employees can engage into more creative and strategic work, contributing more towards the company's goal. RPA is a powerful tool that transforms how business operates by optimizing processes and enhancing productivity. In the similar way, you can automate the processes. It's not that difficult. Now, let's take a look at some of the key certifications available in the RPA field. First, we have the UiPath certified RPA associate. This certification is perfect for beginners who are just starting out with RPA. It covers the foundational knowledge needed to work with UiPath and is an excellent entry point for those looking to build a career in automation. So you can start with this. This is entry level certification for RPA beginners. The course module, the learning, everything will be available on UiPath. I have given the link of that platform. This is the link on the right. You can see. This is the link for UiPath. So first, as an entry point, you do UiPath certification. Next is the Automation Anywhere. So this is the Advanced RPA Professional Certification. So as the name suggests, this certification focuses on advanced automation skills. So once you have understood the basics and you are certified UiPath Associate, you can go ahead with Automation Anywhere. It's designed for professionals who already have some experience with RPA, some understanding hands-on, and want to deepen their expertise. The platform will be purely Automation Anywhere platform. This is the path which you can follow and you can learn. Courses are free. You can learn very easily. Low code, no code environment is there. Even if you have minimal or no knowledge, you can still work on it. Lastly, there is Blue Prism. Blue Prism Developer Certification. This one is for those who are looking to specialize in Blue Prism RPA platform. It recognizes your ability to design and build effective automation solutions using Blue Prism, making it valuable credential for professionals working with these tools. Now, each of these certifications offers a unique path to advancing your career in RPA, depending on the platform you choose to focus on and your current level of experience. In some of the organizations, some of the companies, they may have UiPath as a platform. They may have taken the license for UiPath. In some, it would be Automation Anywhere. In others, it could be Blue Prism or Power Automate from Microsoft.